Today topic is basic report. So we discuss about a basic report. First of all, we should get a data. Excel. So here it is a navigator. Here is a bonus data. So here the data is loaded. So basic report. Actually, what is basic report? You can store and manage a Power BI reports on the permissions in a Power BI report server. And you can store Power BI reports in the cloud in the Power BI service. You can create and edit reports Power BI desktop and publish them into a web portal. The report readers in your organization can view them in a browser or in a Power BI. If you choose to edit the report in the future, the report data you can see your desktop. And always the cached data from a report was initially created. So here the data is there, and take a slicer. Here it is a slicer displays on the Power BI desktop, and name, select a name. The name data will be presented on the visualization of slicer, and take a and select, go to a format and select the border on, shadow on. Here we can see here, and select a card. Here it is a card, and select the bonus amount. Here it is displayed. And for this, select a border, shadow, and take another card. Here and select the bonus PCT. For this, select the border on, shadow on, and next department. Here for department, select a border, shadow, and next another card, and select a gender. For this, border and shadow, and another card. For this, select a LOC. For these also, border on, shadow on, and another card. Select a rating. Average. For these also, select a border on, shadow on. and next salary. Here. Here, all data represented on the Power BI desktop. So here I select another name. So here the changes will appears. You can see if I select any name, that changes will appears.